Hey there! Need a quick and easy way to convert a JPEG to a PDF without losing quality? You come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you two simple ways to do this. If you prefer to convert your files right from your browser without logging in anywhere, head over to the free converter tool from Dropbox linked in the description below. Simply upload your JPEG file and convert to a PDF in seconds. Now I'll show you how to do this right inside Dropbox, which comes with extra benefits like easy sharing and organizing. First, head over to Dropbox.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, no worries, you can sign up for a free account, not just a trial, and start converting your JPEGs to PDFs at no cost, right away. Once you're in Dropbox, click on Upload and select the JPEG file you want to convert. After your file is uploaded, click on it to open it, and then now navigate to File in the top left corner and select Save PDF. Dropbox will handle the rest. In just a few moments, your JPEG will be converted to a PDF. You can then download it, share it, or keep it stored securely in your Dropbox account. And that's it. Converting a JPEG to a PDF has never been easier. With Dropbox, you can handle all your file conversions quickly and securely, keeping everything organized all in one place. Try it out today. Thanks for watching.